Welcome to Beauty for the Win. Today I'm showing you how to make the best hair mask. This mask will help with dandruff. It'll help with dry scalp, which is what I get in the winter time. It's also going to help with nourishing your strands, helping with your split ends, and it's going to help stimulate hair growth. So let's get started. All you need is half of a large avocado or one small avocado, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, and you will need half a teaspoon of sweet almond oil. First thing you want to do is mash your avocado really good into your bowl. So I'm done mashing it. The more ripe the avocado, the easier it is to mash. This one was not super ripe, so it was a little harder to mash up. Now we are going to add our mayo. And half a teaspoon of our almond oil. Now let's mix it together until it's all blended together. It's completely mixed. Look at this hair mask. It is so perfect and packed with nutrients. Let's put it on our hair. Also, you can see tiny little pieces of chunks in here. Those will wash out, and I don't usually have those when I make this mask. I think because my avocado was not quite ripe yet, it needed to be just a little bit more brown on the outside. It would have been just so smooth and perfect. So make sure that your avocados are super ripe. I just rinsed all of the hair mask out with lukewarm water and I shampooed. I did not condition my hair. If you want, you can do a little bit of conditioner on your ends. Wouldn't do it on the scalp or lengths.